I'm Cam Daddo. Join me for the ultimate road trip through South Australia.
We're escaping the city to recharge and unwind on a stress-free EV-powered journey to two of Australia's most iconic stays. Hey Google, take us to the Louise Barossa Valley.
Navigating to the Louise.
It is amazing how quiet and peaceful this cabin is, even travelling at speed. Close the door, and the noise of the world just disappears.
An essential for any great road trip is a smooth playlist and an epic sound system. And the Bowers & Wilkins in this Polestar 3 ticks all the boxes.
Luxury Escapes is empowering EV drivers to enjoy stress-free bucket list travel experiences. And the Louise is the perfect place to base yourself to explore the very best of the Barossa Valley, an ideal setting to recharge your Polestar's batteries thanks to on-site EV charging. Simply plug in upon arrival and you are set.
I won't need to book a spa for this trip. These seats, they're built for comfort. And yes, there's even a massage feature in it. How beautiful is this late summer sunshine? I can make the most of it with this panoramic roof. It's extraordinary.
The Polestar 3 represents the cutting edge of Swedish auto design and functionality, while also putting safety first. For you car enthusiasts, check out the Brembo brakes. After exploring the beautiful Barossa, we're heading to breathtaking Kangaroo Island. Southern Ocean Lodge is the pioneer of experiential luxury here on Kangaroo Island, from its world-class dining to convenient on-site EV charging. The car's design is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality, from the easy-to-use tech to the incredibly generous interior. You could easily spend all day here at Southern Ocean Lodge, but Kangaroo Island is so beautiful that it would be a missed opportunity not to see more of it. And honestly, I just want to drive the Polestar 3 a bit more.
This has been the most amazing road trip thanks to Luxury Escapes and this magnificent Polestar 3. To book your own EV-powered holiday, visit luxuryescapes.com and I'll see you on the road.